Hello, amazing art teachers. I am Manisha, or you can call me Prisha as well. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create online art class and reach global audience. By the end of this video, you will have a clear idea to start your online art classes. So let's start and see what are the steps we have to take for it. Step 1 is choose your class format. Are you going to conduct live classes on platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, where you can interact with your students directly, live in real time? Or do you want to pre-record your course and students will learn at their own space? So you have to decide the format of your class. Then both the options have their own benefits. In live classes, it is more easy to build the connection with your students, and in the recorded form, the student can learn on their own time on their own space, so it's easy for them also. But as a beginner, I will suggest you to start with the live classes, build a community, and then you can sell your pre-recorded course to that community and outside to community as well. Step 2, plan your curriculum. Okay, now you have to plan what you are going to teach. You are going to conduct your classes, let's say just drawing fundamental and principles. Are you going to conduct watercolor classes? Are you going to conduct sketching classes? So what classes you are going to conduct, you have to decide first. Then you have to break it down into lessons. Let's take an example that you are going to teach watercolor florals. Okay, then your lesson 1 will be just about the materials and everything that we are going to use. Lesson 2 will be the basic brush strokes that you can give them some practice of that. Lesson 3 will be freehand painting, how we do freehand painting. Lesson 4 will be different types of flowers. Lesson 5 will be different types of leaves and stem. Lesson 6 will be about the composition rule while making the flowers, and lesson 7 will be your final art. So this is how you have to plan your curriculum, break it into lessons, and this will be the flow of your classes. Step 3 is set up your tech. Okay, now to start your live classes, you does not need very fancy equipment. You just need a good camera. For that you can use your smartphone. You need a good light. For that, sit in front of sunlight, and you need a tripod stand where you will keep your device and record your sessions. Now for the live classes, you need to sign up on Zoom or on Google Meet where you can conduct your live classes. For the recorded courses, you need to create PPT first, record the video, edit it. This is as simple as it is. Step 4, price your art classes. Now you have to calculate the cost. What are the material you have used? Like what are the cost of the material that you have used? How much time does it take? Is there any platform fee? So you have to calculate all these things. Then also research what others are charging for what duration. For 1 hour, what they are charging. You have to research that as well. And then accordingly you will set the prices. Initially offer some discount to attract new students, and then also package your offers. Like you can package it like for 2 months, for 3 months, for 1 month, something like that. Step 5 is market your classes. Marketing is only key to reach global audience. Okay, so for that you use your social media. Start with Instagram and Facebook. These two are the best platform to showcase your artwork in video format. You can record some short clips that you can post as reels, or showcase your student testimonial, your students' works, and some behind the scenes of your classes. So just share all these things, showcase your classes and market your classes. Now art teachers, in 5 steps you learn how to start conducting online art classes. So plan your next upcoming art class and reach global audience. Let's quickly recap these 5 steps. Step 1, choose your format. Step 2, plan your curriculum. Step 3, set up tech. Step 4, price your classes. Step 5, market it. Believe me, it's easier than you think. And if you found this video helpful for you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you all in the next video. Till then, bye, take care, and keep creating, keep inspiring, keep earning.